In this video, we're going to take you step by step through the installation of GAF Rigid Style Attic Ventilation products. To begin, determine the necessary ridge slot opening required. For roofs without a ridge board, cut a 7/8 inch opening along the ridge on each side. If your roof does have a ridge board, cut a 1 5/8 inch opening along each side of the ridge. Mark off and cut the slot opening. Be sure that the ends of the ridge slot opening stop at least 6 inches from any end walls or rakes and at least 12 inches from hip and ridge intersections or chimneys. Place your first section of attic ventilation at the rake edge with the proper side facing out, centered on the ridge. Nail in place using 3-inch ring shank nails at the pre-molded nail holes. For Rigid Vent 3 and Snow Country Advanced, the nails are included on the sides of the product. Continue adding Cobra Rigid Vent sections over the length of the ridge, connecting the pieces by aligning the overlap-underlap tabs. In cold weather, remember to leave a 1/8 inch gap between the overlap and underlap of each vent section to allow for expansion. At the end of the ridge, size a piece to fit using the Easy Tear system or trimming with a knife. First, determine the length of the piece you will need and identify the desired breakpoint at the baffle notch cut. Next, flip the section over and snap both baffles at this breakpoint. Fold the piece over itself, then tear. Place the newly cut overlap edge over the end of the last full vent installed and nail in place. For even better protection, seal seams with small pieces of leak barrier.
Be sure to check out more GAF Pro Series installation videos. Good luck with your roofing project.